Alright guys, so welcome back everybody, and I just got a note. Yes, Delysium note. I was waiting for a couple of weeks before I got the note. Why I was waiting before? Because I didn't pay more attention, but I did more research in the last few days, and I think this is the first AI AAA Metaverse game. You have everything in one. Okay, they raised over 20 million bucks in the bear market. That's crazy. So this is in build up for the last year, and it's the token. It's coming in March and will be on the launchpad on Bybit. However, I got a note and I'm minting the tokens every single day before even the token is out. And the note is something like a gala, okay, and early version. Okay, there are going to be 50,000 notes. They're only sold 5,000 and something, 5,800, and up to 10,000 it's one price. After 10,000 it's another price. And don't forget, if you can only get this note in private sale, and to get into the private sale you need a code. And do you know who have the code? Me. I have the code. So if you decide, I'll let you know on the end of the video. Okay, so Delysium is a badass game, okay, token. It will be something what I think have a big and huge potential. Again, everything what I'm saying here is only my personal opinion. Don't put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and you can lose everything. I'm not a financial advisor, remember that. Just to be aware, okay? This is a big disclaimer. Now also, if you never watch any of my video, what's called more you give more you receive, I highly appreciate. It's meant the world to me. I'm using my crypto money so I can help the poor people in the Philippines, in Africa, and also in India. Yeah, sorry about that, I just forget about my headphones. I was listening to the music. All right, so let's go and let's talk about the project, what's happening. So if I look this way, this way, because it's my screen is there and my camera is right here. Okay, so let's see what's happening. So if you go to the white paper, it's the first world, okay, playable white paper. Okay, so check this out. You can go, you can move and play, and you can see the white paper. It's just crazy, guys. Explain you everything. The first playable white paper. How cool is this? Okay, I never see this one before, so it's very unique. These guys spend a lot of times. Okay, let's talk about what about the trailer. Okay, let's talk about the trailer. That's crazy. Check this out. Amazing. This is just sick. That's amazing. All right, that's crazy. So that was just amazing. I think the trailer is sick. Okay, look at that. It's just crazy. Okay, so playable AAA quality experience with massive AI powered meta beans. So I know the big things right now, and for the 2023 will be AI. So imagine these guys been working for this one for the last 1 year. Okay, so also for all Web3 around the world. Okay, so you're not alone. That's what they say. When the AI powered meta beings in Delysium, sorry, can hold private property and participate in game modes to earn more income, they're no longer just a control character, okay, but they become everyone's friend, companion, and other roles in the virtual world. So you can even go and play the game. So that's the good stuff. You can go and right here and you can play the game. You can go to the marketplace, okay, go to the marketplace. You can go and buy weapons, buy whatever you want. I'm not a big gamer, guys, but I think I'm going to give a go with this one just to see how it's feel, how it is, and how it's going to go. All right, so next one we want to go is you're going to go to the contributors. Okay, so look who have invested right here. Okay, we have so many contributors. Okay, so probably you know some of them. Okay, you have so many. Look, it's huge. So many, more and more, and every day they're becoming more and more. So that's giving you something. Okay, also you can see a big YouTubers, they start talking about this one. So that's also it's a big thing. So don't forget that, because this is built on IMX, okay, the first gaming blockchain, a blockchain for gaming, one of the best out there, and also Delysium is also built there, and I think this have potential potential to flip Illivium. Okay, I think, but you never know. Now the good stuff is when you get the node, you can mint for years and years to come. Okay, now more nodes are sold, less you earn. Less they're sold, more you earn. That's how it's working. And how much costs one node? Okay, let's go and check. Also, very important to know is they were nominated for the best GameFi project by the blockchain Life Rewards 2023. And do you know how much they got votes? Check this out. So this is how much they vote. Here we have Illivium, okay, decentralized, the Metaverse, okay, Sandbox, and they win with 5,000 votes, okay, more than all of them, than decentralized, then Sandbox, then Illivium, who have only 92. Okay, that's crazy, guys. That's crazy. So they're going to be, they just announced a few days ago, this is from Bybit, okay, they're going to be launched on their launchpad, okay, on Bybit. Now I'm not going to go there because I'm having the node. Why to go there when I already have the node? Now what will be the price? Nobody know. Now also one very important thing you need to understand, that the game will be on the Epic Game Store, okay? Maybe it doesn't mean a lot to you, but do you know what it means? They have over 70 million monthly users on that store, okay? 70 million active users, and that's huge. Just imagine how many people going to bring so much attention to this game. I think this have a huge potential. Okay, so if you go to the DMA, okay, so that's the type of the node, okay, so it's called Delysium Multiverse Accelerator, okay. So basically, if you want to buy, you go here to the buy DMA, and then it costs $1,000 for the first 10,000. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's a node, okay. Do you know I bought Gala node when it was $9,000, and I asked to get the money back after a couple of days because they have in their policy you can get the money back after 7 days. I freak out, and that was 2 years ago. Now one Gala node costs around 100,000, and that's crazy, okay. It is what it is. I panic, I sold. Now I don't want to sell, I want to buy first, because you never know what will happen in a couple of years. So what is my plan? So this is not for buy and sell and pump and dump. For me, it's something to hold, okay. I'm buying the node, and I'm trying to buy one more tonight so I can give you my code, and I want to keep the tokens for 1 or 2 years, okay, maybe 3 years, and then DCA slowly sell, but slowly, okay, slowly, not now, in 1 or 2 years, because I think the potential is so much up front, okay, not yet up front. We still have the time. So when you go to buy now, you put here this, don't put this code, the code will be in the description. Put my code there, go 1 or 2, 3, wherever you want, go buy now, and that's about it. You put your email, you put your address. This is on Ethereum network you're going to buy, so make sure you need to pay like $5-10 fee. Also, don't forget, guys, you don't need anything, just buy the node and you hold, okay. So let me tell you how much I've been for the moment I've been earning. Let me see, there we go. Okay, so this is my daily rewards. I start the node from this is my with my team, okay, on the 22nd of February, okay. You can see we got 104.7 tokens. AGI is the name of the token, the shortcut. And then we have 104, 103, and now we have today 102. Yes, 25th, yeah, today 102. Okay, so that means more people buying the node. Now remember, there are around 6,000 sold nodes, 5,800, maybe 6,000. Once they're sold over 10,000, the price will go up $25 for every 100 node. So I think at the end of the day will be buy this, if they sold all of them in 1 or 2 years, 50,000, the price will be, I think they estimate around 10,000 and maybe even more over that. So, you know, you never know what's going to happen, but I want to be in early. Okay, so the link will be in the description. So again, if you decide to join, great. Okay, so just go to DMA, go to buy DMA and crack on. Now, I'm going to do a follow-up video in a couple of weeks when this is launched on Bybit and when the token is out, and let's see how it's going to go. What will be the price? Again, for me, this is for long hold at least for 1 or maybe 2 years at least, okay, maybe even longer, because if they bring in more partners, more developers, I think this thing, AI, Metaverse, AAA, everything all together, especially with the AI narrative right now, I think this have huge potential. Again, that's about it. Go and check some of the other videos, go and check their white paper, is pretty cool. Go and ask their question if you have in their Telegram group. If you go here to the community, you have Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Medium, YouTube, and everything you can imagine. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. I'm going to the crypto conference tomorrow in London, and I will make some videos from there. Goodbye.